Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'll be making gloves. So guys, come and see my materials. So guys, I already sketched my palm or my fingers here. This is the left side of my palm or my hands. This is the right side. I write it letter R so that I can remember which one is the right or the left. So guys, I also have scissor, this thread and needle. So guys, come, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna cut and follow the lines of my sketch. So guys, I'm done with the right side. So I'll be working with this left one. So guys, I'm done also with the left. So now I'll be sewing it all the lines. I'll follow all these fingers. So I'm done with this one, the right side. Guys, I'm done and I'm gonna flip it over. So guys, I'm done. Now I'm gonna try it. So guys, here it is. I'm done. So guys, I'm done with my gloves. Okay, this is perfect for using when you're cleaning the house or you're doing your gardening or anything that you want to get dirt your hands, you can use a gloves. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel, and please like, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys. God bless to all of you, and for my 64 subscribers, I love you so much guys, and may God bless you all, and thank you. Bye.